We're doing another prepper blast video. I'm gonna do another snare style because this one's actually better than the first one I showed you, way better. So, alright, see here, I've just taken a limb again and bent it over. Just kind of give you a good rotate view of that. Okay, now I've taken my snare line and see I use these to take up slack, because different snares, different areas are going to require different lengths, and so instead of cutting a bunch of paracord, I just made one long one and just, okay, and took out the slack. So that part there is not as important. Now you just take a line down. See here, I've got this stick is tied. Let's see if I can show you that a little better. See there, the paracord is tied to the stick there, and about the middle of that stick. And then over here we have two stakes drove in the ground, and you see right there where the limb would branch off. We're just using that to hold, the stick up there. And then we've got a third stick out here as part of the trigger, and then a longer stick. Let me turn the camera where you can get a better view. Now see, stick that goes from here all the way to here, and you see here's the lead for the snare. Goes all the way down here. Now it's important that down here is kind of cleared out of a little foliage. Now see, your bait will go right in here, right about where this leaf is, somewhere kind of under that trigger, because what's going to happen, well, I'll show you that in a minute. Let's get a large overview here. You got your two sticks, your one in the middle, you got your line, the stick hooked to the line, and then your trigger stick. Now what's going to happen, now I'll show you that, is the animal will come down here to eat the food, and as it does, it is actually going to trip this, and he doesn't have fingers, so he's going to be choked. Alright, so let's demonstrate that again. Let's see if I can do this one-handed like I did the other one. Probably can't. I'm probably going to have to, yeah. So it's real simple every time. All right, guys, so that is another simple snare. This one obviously has a little bit too much slack in it, but that's fine. That's something you'll need to play with. As you see, the animal would probably be able to stand on its tippy toes. It would probably take it a lot longer to die. So you wouldn't really want to use a rope that long. So, but anyway, guys, that's been a better snare video, I think. So if you enjoy seeing prepper blast videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.